How to add a course to your wish list on Udemy, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add course to your wish list. First open Udemy, and once you're here click just select any course you want, like this one. And now all you need to do, just click this icon here, and that's it. Now just go back, and here we'll find it, and as you see, that's it. It's easy, and you can remove it if you want. Just click this one again, and I hope that can help you. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.